blue hat and a green hat. An adorable little bell. 2 of these bracelets. 3D miniature project. Keychain. Gingerbread men. Let's get one out of here. A leaf, just some more pendants, and ta-da, already packaged, ready to go. Blue hat and a green hat. An adorable little bell. 2 of these bracelets. 3D miniature project. Keychain. Gingerbread men. Let's get one out of here. A leaf, just some more pendants, and ta-da, already packaged, ready to go. We also have little pendants that are a little kitty cat, a little random one, and a U one and a leaf. And a handmade hat. And I may add a drawing, we will see. Then we close it all up. And we're ready to go. We got a little headband, bell, a hat, more of these bracelets, homemade sticker. Like I said, the gingerbread and bell are only here because I only have a little bit left. Then I have this. It's kind of like a black and white theme box. Then we have this. Then we have black and white heart. My gloves are not working anymore. Let's see if I can find like a dark one. And I may or may not add a drawing. We will see. Depends on if people want drawings. And a bracelet. And a miniature 3D. Now if you want something bigger, you can pay for the bigger ones. Wrong way. Ready to go. We have here a Par Perfect 3 modes on the go portable, 3 filters included. Dogs and cats water fountain helps pets to drink clean flowing water. Okay. 3 modes, portable, 3. Let's open it on up. We got scissors. Directions. Instructions. Oh no, it's one of those foldable ones. Okay, thank you for purchasing Paw Perfect Pet Fountain. The circulation system provides healthy and hygienic water for your beloved pets all day. The triple fountain style with water softening features ensures safe, clean, and fresh drinking water. Cap. Middle direct water spout. Triple fountain filter. This piece looks like it comes with a okay. There's a pump in the bottom. Pump. Still not really sure where the... Okay. Water bowl. Okay. Okay. Take the bowl and place the pump inside the square. Indentation is pre-assembled. Okay, it looks like you take this. You hook it here. Can she build it? Probably, maybe, we'll see. Or put it together. Okay. Okay, feed the electrical power cord line plug over and through the raised post and out the notch on the right. Oh, it's supposed to be the right. It says this way though. Okay, clean pump is assembled to the lounge of the fountain. Okay, remove the pump cover, remove the lumber cap. Oh, every 2 weeks. Okay, we're step 1. Step 3, okay. Step 1. Take the bell and place the pump inside the square. Nation is pre-assembled. Feed the electrical power cord and line plug over and through the raised post and out the notch on the right. Step 4. Rinse and Carol filter thoroughly with cold water to remove any excess and loose charcoal dust. Gotta rinse it. Okay, and then talking about this piece? No, that piece. I have no clue. Okay. Oh, place the lid in the bowl. Now we have to place the filter on top of the lid and press down firmly. Place the nozzle and press down to lock firmly. So we have to go rinse a charcoal filter thoroughly with cold water to remove any excess and loose charcoal dust. Open this, and we're going to go do that right now. We rinse it really thoroughly. Every part is wet. Now, place filter on top of the lid and press down firmly. Okay. Place the nozzle. Why is this not working? Okay. We did it. We did it. Hooray! Okay, so how do we add water? Lift the lid with the top. We built it! We built it! Hooray! And the fountain comes out here. Jeez, that was a lot of work. Okay. Lift the lid. Top accessible, set aside. Fill the fountain with water up to the maximum water line before plugging the adapter. The max water level is marked at the top of the bowl. Place the lid back on. Okay, so where does the water go? Water line. Water line. Does it go in here? It's a great question. Okay, for this mode, nozzle, okay. Generally bubbly water. I don't think we own bubbly water, but depending on your pet, select 1 of 3 water flow modes. Okay. So we do take this out, and then we go to a water line. I found it. Found the max. We're going to fill it up. We have water. We have water. We have more. So if we need more, we can have more. Dang, we could get a couple more in here. And I said dang. Okay. This one might do it. Nope. This one. Nope. This one's unopened, so let's go with one. And we are at the max capacity! We did it! We did it! Hooray! Hooray! We did it! We did it! Hooray! Hooray! And I'm gonna go take it upstairs where it belongs. These will go over here because I'll need them for peats and stuff. We'll check and see if it works later.